Area surveying is crucial for any building project to precisely map and measure the area. Due to its building and development, Hyderabad has many land survey businesses. Scondesign is one of the leading land survey companies in Hyderabad, offering top-notch services. Scondesign has been providing land surveying services in Hyderabad for over a decade and has earned a reputation for reliability. The company's land surveyors use cutting-edge equipment and technology to deliver accurate results. They're one of Hyderabad's top land survey firms due to their quality and precision. Scondesign's dedication to customer satisfaction distinguishes them from other Hyderabad land survey businesses. They get to know their clients' demands and personalize their services accordingly. The organization keeps clients updated with regular updates and progress reports during the surveying procedure. Scondesign's services go beyond land surveying. They also provide topographic surveying, boundary surveying, construction staking, and more. They provide land surveying services in Hyderabad. In conclusion, Hyderabad's top land survey company is Scondesign. Their quality, attention to detail, and client satisfaction make them a top choice for commercial and residential projects. Scondesign offers dependable and accurate land surveying services in Hyderabad. Any building or real estate endeavor requires land surveying. It involves measuring and charting a land's heights, contours, and boundaries. Land surveyors in Hyderabad are in high demand. Thus, this industry has several job openings for eager professionals. Scondesign is a great place for Hyderabad land surveyors to work. Scondesign is a top engineering and design firm that surveys land. The organization offers competitive compensation, a great work atmosphere, and growth prospects. As a land surveyor at Scondesign, you will conduct surveys, prepare detailed reports, and provide technical support to clients. Land surveyors in Hyderabad must have a civil engineering degree. You must also be familiar with modern surveying equipment and software. You should also be a team player and have great communication abilities. Scondesign offers continual training and development to help its staff keep up with industry trends. As a land surveyor in Hyderabad, you can work on commercial and residential building, infrastructure development, and land development. You must ensure that all measurements are precise and that the project meets legal and regulatory criteria. To finish the project on time and on budget, you'll need to collaborate with architects, engineers, and contractors. In conclusion, Scondesign is one of the leading businesses for Hyderabad land surveyor employment. The organization provides a great work environment and growth chances for its workers by focusing on quality and innovation. A career as a land surveyor with Scondesign can be lucrative and exciting, whether you're just starting out or looking to advance.